All right. Greetings, Williams, Philippines. Hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Mine's been kind of a different one. uh, yeah, the job was a bit busy. I was right. They had came close to selling out, and a lot of places were. We just had 3 rooms left over, so came real close. Boss is happy. Got trying to set up my MacBook Air, and boy, bunch of headaches. And then I got it all gimped up some way or another, and it wouldn't let me continue. And yeah, had to get in touch with tech support and get them to help me erase it and start over. Fun stuff, fun stuff. But that's okay. Uh, it's a little late right now, but yeah, I don't know Macs that well. And oh, let me tell you, there's a bunch of settings there I have no idea about. And I found a bunch of them that I have no idea about. Uh, oh, yeah. But that's okay. I'm getting things figured out. A little bit here, a little bit there. Uh, yes, I do enjoy this thing. Hauled off and yay! Yeah, there you go. There's that blue. Shows up real good. And I even got a kind of a aqua blue mouse for it. The lights change, but the top stays the same. So, yay! I guess you can say I'm a bit on the blue, or a bit into the blue. uh, Actually liking the color on that thing. Hopefully, tonight I'll get it finished set up and be able to actually enjoy it instead of sitting there and fighting settings. Although, yeah, it'll probably take a week. Just saying. But yeah, getting it all tied in together and figured out, it's a fun process. Just saying. And it is showing up in my thing, but my uh, 3 years of warranty for it ain't showing up. Supposed to get in touch with Amazon. Amazon said it's them. Then I couldn't get back in touch with Amazon when Apple said it was Amazon again. I don't know. Uh, Gotta take and do something with it. That's for sure. But that's gonna be for tonight or tomorrow or the day after. Figured out something. We got a holiday this weekend, so there's not going to be a lot of banking on Monday. Uh, Tried to call up and get a few things set up, and everybody was saying, "Oh, it's Saturday. We've got a holiday Monday, so no, we're not here. Come back on Tuesday." Oh, yay! It is what it is. You know how to mess up a Friday night, right? Yeah, turn it into Monday morning. You want to mess up a Saturday? Make it Monday afternoon. Yeah. Needless to say, I'm getting it took care of, taken care of. Whatever. I'm not a grammar Nazi, so I'm not going to worry about how somebody else says it, and I'm just going to say it my way and you know, not worry about other people on things. So, yeah, I got took care of. Uh, Missed call from my aunt. Apparently, I had left my phone in do not disturb mode. That happens when I'm trying to get things done. I'll shut the phone off and disappear into something and forget I'm doing, that I've got the rest of the world out there to deal with. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to try to get the rest of the settings done tonight and maybe tomorrow night and get into a few of the fixing of the router for, not the router, but the Wi-Fi connection for it. I need to redo everything there. But I got a few things taken care of and fixed. Got a few more things to take care of and get fixed. Slowly but surely. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying your weekend. Lots of food and lots of friends and lots of family. And yeah, always more food. Uh, yeah, I'm tired. It's been a long night. I might not have had to check as many people in, but I sure had a bunch of fighting with the computer. And then when I wasn't fighting with the computer, I was having to deal with everybody wanting something. I guess that's why you go and stay in a hotel so you can be needy and let somebody else take care of it. Uh, it is what it is. Uh, but yeah, we got the work crew in there, and they're showing up at 5:30, saying my boss said 5:30. He didn't say nothing to me. He might have said it to somebody else, but he didn't say it to me. So don't jump down my throat that it ain't ready when you think it should be because of you being, oh yeah, half hour early. I get it done 15 minutes early because, well, I take care of folks. I don't want them standing around waiting. But now a special ed group is coming in and getting upset with me because they don't get it at 5 o'clock when it's a 6 o'clock breakfast, or 5:30 when it's a 6 o'clock breakfast, and then jumping down my throat for, yeah. Supposed to be polite to him anyway. I'm wondering why. Anyway, it is what it is. I get paid to be there. Isn't that why we go to work? It's not because we love the job. Well, sometimes you do, but they don't call it work for a reason. You know, it's not playtime. So yeah, got to go make the dollar. Take care of folks. Even when you'd rather throw them out a window and see how well they bounce. Eh, it is what it is. Anyway, William Williams, Philippines, come along for the ride. The insanity, the video, the whatever. Like, comment, subscribe. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, more food. And hey, I'm fishing. Fish is out.